is she? Who is she? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today, yes, I look a little bit different, and that is because I have been wanting to straighten my hair for quite a while now. It has been over a year. It's been like a year and 3 months or so since the last time that I have straightened my hair, and I have been itching to straighten my hair, to see, one, just like what it looks like because it's been so long, and two, just to see like the length of my hair. And here's what I want to say about that. It's okay. It's okay. We do not hate on those people that have straight hair that use a curling iron to curl their hair or change up their hairstyle or anything like that. So I don't believe that curly hair girls that want to blow out their hair every once in a while should be looked down upon. There have been times that I've really wanted to blow out my hair, but I almost feel like there's a sense of bullying that happens in the curly hair community when a curly girl wants to straighten their hair or blow out their hair. I'm talking about someone who is a curly hair influencer that wants to blow out their hair. There's literally nothing wrong with wanting to change up your hair as long as you are doing it in a safe way. You're using a heat protectant on your hair if you're putting any heat on your hair, and you're not using heat consistently day in and day out, because obviously over time it can be very damaging to your hair. All that being said, I want to say I am so happy that I decided to blow out my hair. You know, sometimes when you're just itching to maybe color your hair or cut your hair or change your style or do something different, that's how I had been feeling. That doesn't mean that I don't like my curls. It doesn't mean that I'm sick of my curls. I love my curly hair. I simply wanted to see myself with a different style. I wanted to look a little bit different. The blessing of having curly hair is that you really can have the best of both worlds. You can have your hair naturally curly, or you can blow it out and have a nice, sleek style if you want. Today's video is me going from curly to straight. I'm just gonna show you guys my process of going from my curly hair to this beautiful, voluminous, blown out hair. So let's go ahead and jump on in. It is time to blow out this hair. I'm so excited. I'm going to be using a line of products that I absolutely love from Helium Hair. I'm going in with their Healthy Shampoo and their Recover Conditioner. These two products are amazing. And then I went in with their Quickfix leave-in treatment. This product right here is the game changer. This is their Body 5 heat protecting spray. This product is actually a sunscreen, a color protectant, and a thermal barrier. It protects the hair up against 450 degrees. And it's actually called Body 5 because it gives the hair so much body. This product is one of my all-time faves. It's their volumizing mousse. This gives the hair so much volume. Also, all of these products, y'all, from this line are great for fine, thin hair, which is why this is the line that I reached for when doing this blowout. And I actually only focused that mousse on the roots to really give my roots more lift. Now, last step, going in with a little bit of the bonding oil from Curlsmith. This I just used on the ends of my hair to really seal in the moisture and try to prevent the ends of my hair from getting dry. And because with the Revlon one-step blow dryer, you really are not supposed to use it on soaking wet hair. I realized this when I did a review a long time ago. So I actually went in with my Dyson, really more so at the roots, just to get it as dry as I could, probably about 80 to 90% dry at the roots. And of course, the rest of my hair started to dry as I was drying my roots. So now we're about 80 to 90% dry. Then going in with the Revlon one-step blow dryer, I sectioned off my hair so that I was using pretty small sections. And I did alternate between low heat and high heat, just because when I tried this out the first time, I used it on low heat and it did not work on my hair. So I did kind of alternate back and forth as I felt like it was necessary. But that product, the heat protectant, the Body 5, I'm telling you, that stuff
will protect your hair. It gave my hair so much shine. And actually, Helium Hair has their own one-step blow dryer that I would love to test out and see, does it compare to the Revlon? How does it compare to the Revlon? The Revlon one-step blow dryer, I think I paid like $36 or something like that for it. So it's not too expensive, and clearly it does work. So I'm going to speed this up, and as you can see, I'm just going through the same process, just doing section by section, just blowing it out and continuing on. Very simple. This actually went super fast, y'all. Like, this blow dryer worked really, really quickly, and obviously the trick is making sure that your hair is already 80 to 90% dry before starting the blowout. Once I got towards the top, I really started to take a little more time just because I wanted to make sure that the roots got as smooth as possible. I feel like with curly hair, that's the hardest part to really get smooth without using a flat iron, is right at the roots. So I really tried to take a little extra time to make sure that all of that was really smooth. Now, working on the very top section, I blew this all forward, and I did that so that it would give me the most lift at the root. So I just went through section by section on the top and just blew it all forward until all of that was completely smoothed out. And you'll see the amount of volume that I have. Obviously, that mousse, the volumizing mousse, that definitely contributed to the volume that I get with this blowout. Also, the Body 5 product. I just love the Helium line. This is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form, but this is just a really good line specifically for people that have thin, fine hair, which is me. So then I wanted to take a few pieces on the top and really roll them and let them set to try to get extra volume. I couldn't find my Velcro rollers at first, but I found them. So I just put a couple of Velcro rollers up there and let it cool really well. I tried to hit the back again right at the crown just to make sure that that was really nice and smooth. And then I just let those Velcro rollers kind of cool off, or the top pieces cool off a little bit. And then I took them down and just kind of zhuzhed up my hair and let it fall where it wanted to. And this was basically the final results of this blowout. It probably took me, no kidding, maybe 15 minutes from beginning to end to do this style. Like, it really did not take me long at all. But again, I also have thin hair. So if you have a lot of hair, if you have high density hair, it's obviously going to take you longer, but I love how this turned out. It was so shiny. I can't wait to see what you guys think.
If you are a curly girl, here are the steps that I would take if you are wanting to blow out your hair. Number one, I would really make sure to deep condition the hair before you ever blow out your hair. If you are using any kind of heat, please protect your hair, use a heat protectant. And then the last thing I would say is, when it is time for you to wash your hair and go back to your curls, do an Olaplex number 3 treatment. This is a bond building treatment, and it helps to repair any bonds that were broken in any coloring processes or any heat styling that has happened that could have damaged your hair in any way. And enjoy being able to transform your hair once in a while without damaging it. Okay, that's all I want to say. And there you have it. That is how I got this blown out look. It was actually very easy to achieve. Maybe you're wanting to switch up your hair for the holidays. Maybe you have a holiday party or something that you want to go to. Of course, you can rock your curls, not a problem. But if you want to change up your hair and maybe blow it out for an event, I don't think there's anything wrong with that, especially if your hair is in a very healthy state. You know, you can maybe take some of these tips and tricks and use them when styling your hair for the holidays. So I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and let me know what you think of this blown out style. What do you think? Do you like it? Should I do it a little more often? I don't know. What do you guys think? I can't wait to hear from you. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.